Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Dashlane. Now, introducing Dashlane Omnix. Go beyond password management to intelligent credential security with Dashlane Omnix. So you can contact sales if you want to know more about this or request a demo. So what this means is intelligent credential security in one platform. You can detect at-risk activity over the last 7 days, credentials, and so much more. So that can have to do with credential protection, password management, and you get built-in security that's protected by Dashlane Secure Cloud. It has industry expertise, Omnix will define credential security for enterprises. With Dashlane, you'll be able to take a more intelligent, proactive approach to reducing potential credential risk. Says the manager, identity and access management at Download Group, Aiden Turner. So that has been in the news. You can see much more about it here. So Dashlane goes beyond password management. There are lots of plans like the business plan, enterprise, higher education, individual, and family plan. A lot of resources, and what it features is password management, passkeys, auto-fill data wallet, passwordless, security alert, SSO, and VPN. You can try it for business, for personal. You can use it in the iOS app, Android app. You can buy it for your business, for you, or buy for a friend. So what are you waiting for? Request a demo or contact sales for more information.